In this video, we'll learn how to divide binary numbers. There is more than one way to divide binary numbers or any other base for that matter. Just like for natural numbers, say for example, I want to divide 45 by 15, right? I can use the long division method, say 45 inside and my divisor outside. How many times will I find 15 in 45? That will be 3, right? That means the answer is 3. I can use the continuous subtraction method. That is, if I continue to subtract the divisor from the dividend, how many times is that possible? So if I say 45 minus 15, that will give me 30. This is the first time. And again, 30 minus 15, that will give us 15. Then 15 minus 15, 0. So that means this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third time. So I had 3 attempts before I got to 0. That means 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3 because we did the subtraction 3 times. So just like these natural numbers, we can also perform division this way. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the conversion method. That is, we'll convert the binary number to a base 10 number, do the division, then convert the result back to base 2. And this is because using the long division method for binary numbers or even numbers in other bases is a very long method. I mean, it is truly a long division because if I bring out the divisor in this first example, which is 111, and I write the dividend inside 10101. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times can I find this divisor in this number? So let's try with the first 3 digits because my divisor has 3 digits. So I know that my divisor is greater than 101. So I'm not going to try with the first 3 digits because 111 in base 2 is greater than 101, right? So let me try with the first 4 digits. How do I find out if how do I find out how many times 111 will go into 1010? You can see that that's a question that is not so simple to answer. You have to try to multiply 111 and see how many times you will get to 1010, right? So that's why I don't even bother to teach students such methods, especially if you are not working in base 2, because teaching students the long division method when you're not working in base 2, students tend to use the calculator, and definitely trust me, calculator is not going to give you the correct answer because your calculators work in base 10 unless you have a particular calculator that can do the division exactly in the base you are working in. So let's just proceed to the conversion method. So let's convert 10101 base 2 to base 10. This is going to serve as a revision on how to convert binary numbers to base 10. So we are going to open a bracket, multiply each digit by the base. So 1 times 2, then 0 times 2, then 1 times 2, 0 times 2, and lastly 1 times 2. After which I will put a plus sign in between the brackets. Now it's time to put an index on each of the bases starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is 1 times 16 plus 0. I'm not going to bother with what 2 raised to the power 3 is. Then 1 times 4, then 0 plus 1 times 1. So that will give me 16 plus 4 plus 1, and that's equivalent to 21 base 10. So it's time to convert our divisor. So 111 base 2, that will be equal to 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2. Then put a plus sign, Then insert the index 0, 1, and 2. 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 1 times 2, then 1 times 1. That will be 4 plus 2 plus 1, and that's 7. So that means I'm dividing 21 by 7, right? 21 divided by 7 will give us 3 in base 10. Now we have to convert this 3 back to base 2. So we say 3 divided by 2, 1 remainder 1. Then 1 divided by 2, 0 remainder, the last quotient here, which is 1. So that means the result of this division is 11 base 2. Sorry, 1 base 2. For the second question, we say 110 base 2 and to convert it to base 10. So that will be 1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, and 0 times 2. Put a plus sign, then the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, and that will be 22 base 10. For the divisor, we have 1011 base 2, and that will be equivalent to 1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 2, put a plus sign, then the indices 0, 1, 2, and 3. That will be 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, and that's 11 base 10, which means 22 divided by 11 in base 10 will give us 2. But 2 is not our answer. That means we are going to convert 2 to base 2, right? So 2 divided by 2, 1 remainder 0. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0 remainder 1 that we have here. So that means the result of this division is 10 base 2, 10 base 2.